conduct of the wife and the mother, and the manner in which she is taking care of the child, I think the court should make for the trial court to decide.
My lordship.
The court has interacted. What is the manner in which the boy is brought up, and what is that he is talking to the father, and why is the mother letting him talk like that? Is it right on her part to do all that?
I will advise my client accordingly, my lordship.
What was she saying? She was not even stopping him from shouting at him. But in fact, in turn, she says, no, like he's getting very agitated. Let this father be sent out. He's just using the boy to settle her disputes with the father.
Not so, my lordship. My lordship, the father was exercising his visitation right all the way till 31st March 2023, my lordship. My lordship may peruse one document, my lordship, which is the document submitted by the father itself, my lordship. In the statement of objections, 91, my lordship. On 31/3/2023, he submits a certain document to the school, my lordship, which sets whatever is happening right now into action.
The last occasion when the matter came up, then the boy also, father was there. The boy said, okay, if you say sorry to my school teacher, it's fine. But then from there to next, after the matter comes, there is a sea change in the attitude of the boy, which the mother has to answer.
I will advise my client accordingly, my lordship.
And anyhow, all these docket proceedings are there, which the court has recorded, which will come to his rescue. It is nothing but abusing the process of the court. Whatever, when it is convenient to you, come before the court. When the orders of the court are not, you're not happy that the court might pass some other order, then now at that point of time, she wants to withdraw the writ petition.
Not so, my lordship. I have advised my client to maintain the decorum during the visitations, etc., my lordship.
Yes. They want to withdraw the petition.
This is my lordship.
Then let him file we'll do one thing. Let him file a withdraw petition. File your objections to that. We'll see.
Yes, my lord. Because
Land counsel for the petitioner submits that he wants to withdraw the writ petition, and the counsel for the respondent submits that he'll come up with his objections.